Did you know how internet cables have been laid in the sea to keep us connected to the internet anywhere in the world? You might be surprised to learn that these cables extend for approximately 1.4 million kilometers under the sea. To lay these cables, a special ship known as a cable-laying vessel is used. This ship is equipped with a round elevator machine that holds the cable. As the ship moves slowly, it unrolls the cable into the sea. In this way, it can lay between 100 and 200 kilometers of cable in a single day.